Check 1 2 human face shapes. Okay guys, I'm back, Mr. Hashtag himself. This video is going to be human faces. So you hear a lot about shapes and things like that, and human faces can be tricky. You know, the anatomy is tricky, cartoon faces are tricky. I'm gonna go over how I do some cartoon faces. I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks, and then we're just gonna make some different, some varied cartoon faces. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. If you like doing cartoon characters, humans, animals, anything, it always comes down to nice shapes, and I'm gonna show you how I do mine. So check the video below, check the link, and yeah, let's get to it. That was so difficult not to do it, but hashtag summer school. It's gonna happen every video, I'm sorry.